Both equity and bond prices were significantly lower. Bond prices, as a consequence, yields were higher. What were the drivers? Well, it seems that the Iran conflict has drawn to a stalemate right now. Neither party is moving. Lots of threats on one side and really no reaction on the other. Oil prices went higher, which is a driver of inflation. CPI and PPI come out last week, and they were both hotter, much hotter than expected. And then we have a new Fed president, new Fed chair coming into the office, Kevin Warsh. He has, as we've read it, he has two significant uh, policies that he wants to push through the Fed, moving to a new inflation measure, not core PCE, personal consumption expenditure index, but the Dallas trimmed mean core PCE, which cuts off the tails, both positive and negative. That policy driver will give the Fed more room to lower short-term interest rates if every member of the 12-member voting committee can buy into it. His other goal is to manage the balance sheet, bring it down. These goals seem to be conflicting because in managing the balance sheet lower, he's either going to sell securities or refrain from buying some securities. That should put more pressure on interest rates moving higher in the long end. And the desire to lower short-term interest rates, that's going to drive uh, short rates lower, causing a steepening in the yield curve. Long and short of it is, it's going to be more volatile. As volatility increases, some of the more geeky risk elements of fixed income markets come into play, that being convexity. I'm not going to bore you with a discussion of it now, but if you're interested, give us a call. We'll be glad to explain it. The president came back from China and came back on Friday. And, you have to wonder, did the market take a couple days to figure out what was going on with inflation, or is it the fact that the president came back with a bag of nothing? Rates went higher, prices went lower, and it seems to be following through today on Monday. So the market's reaction as of this taping, I'd call it a dead cat bounce.